slow it down a little bit for y'all so you can see exactly what it is that I'm doing. Gonna lay your hair onto the roller as you still like gliding your hair through it until it can't go anymore, and then you start rolling. So you don't want your hair feeling like it's gonna pop, but you know when it stops, it's taut enough that you can roll it and not just going back. So it should be nice and tight. And then once you get on base, you just clip it in place.
My